Tēnā rā tātou katoa, ko Hinga Whiu taku ingoa. No kāwhia moana, kāwhia kai, kāwhia tangata. Kei roto i te tīma pāheko, the communications team, the best team ever. Nau mai hara mai ki Kaimahi Koorero. We're here at Papanui, Claudelands, setting up for the Maataki Kaumaatua Ball, which is happening tonight. We'll come in here. Yeah, cool. Yeah. He's going to be in your face. Yeah, no, it looks beautiful. Because we've got the, like this is huge.
Yeah.
We were looking at the dance floor, we thought it was a little bit small. This is our 10th Maataki Kaumaatua Ball. The first thing we have to do is like book the venue. But this is the first time we've come to Claudelands. We usually have it at the Hamilton Gardens, but we've kind of outgrown the gardens and it's gone bigger. It's a way for us as Waikato-Tainui is to say thank you for everything that our kaumātua do, our koroheke and our ruruhi do on our marae, whether it's been in the front of the marae or at the back. But also it's a time for us to remember the ones ko whetū rangitia, that we can remember them as well. And the girls that have come along to help from the Waka-ama group, WDBA, well get it, WDBA, whatever, I don't know what that stands for, but it's awesome. They've come along to help. Yeah, it's always great to have some kaiawhina. Our comms team, we put all this together and we've been working on it for about the last 6 months. Don't have a look, it's great. Oh, kia ora, Kate. My friend. Yes. Hey, I'm just waiting for Montana to put the tablecloths on so we can do the centerpieces. Okay. But we're just doing the chairs at the moment. But those girls are great. Oh no, yeah, the chairs. But 260, 33 tables, 8 at a table.
8 at a table.
Yeah. Hey mate, I'm just ringing just to see if the plants are still going to be delivered this morning. Okay, that's okay. Bring them in and we'll sort it out. You said you wanted us at 11:30, eh?
Yeah.
So once we've done that, we'll do the plants. My name is Hinga. Hinga. Yeah, nice meeting you. Yeah, all good, mate. Koorero mai. I've got a cool job. So the thing is, I don't even see it as a job, I just see it as a lifestyle that I enjoy seeing people, you know, like, I enjoy seeing people happy. The thing is, in this event space, as a team, we work really hard to get the event happening, but we don't get a chance to celebrate what we've done. Once we've finished this kaupapa, we go on to the next one. Another situation, another problem solving, our lights. So we've got chandeliers up here and only one is going. So we're just sussing. There's been a lot of solutions. So we're just sussing out why the rest aren't lighting up. Yeah, sometimes things just don't happen the way you put on the run sheet. So when things don't happen when you put on the run sheet, you just have to adjust. So that's what we'll just be doing. We've got the team here, they're working hard out, so ka pai. It all happens, mate, I'll tell you. There's been a lot of things happening since I got here. You can't get stressed out. I've learnt through not to get stressed out. So we do all our plants and that's us, guys. Yeah. Oh, our small dance floor, I would have liked it. Damn, should have had a bigger one, but people can dance over there too. This has been the easiest setup we've had. But I just want to say thank you and all the best for your Waka-ama dragon boat racing, what you're doing. Yeah, thank you for everything you do. The place is looking great.
Most welcome.
I say we've got the best GM ever. So doing this mahi is an avenue for me to actually give back to our marae, to our tribal whānau. They do a lot for us as a iwi, like on the pai or otherwise at the back in the kitchen peeling lewai. So that's why I probably do keep on doing what I'm doing, because it's a place of happiness and a place of giving back as an entity, Waikato-Tainui, to our whānau that work tirelessly for kaupapa.